You didn't sign a waiver to be tracked today, but your face might have just done it for you. Let's talk about facial recognition and your rights. Welcome back. Before we get into the details, a quick but important reminder. I am not a lawyer, and this content is for informational and educational purposes only. This is not legal advice. Now, let's look at a question we get all the time. Is your face public domain? When you step out your front door in the United States, there is a general legal principle that you have no reasonable expectation of privacy in what you voluntarily show to the world. That includes your face. However, there is a massive difference between a stranger glancing at you and a police department using software to cross-reference your biometrics against billions of photos in seconds. Right now, law enforcement agencies across the country are using tools like Clearview or internal DMV databases to identify people in real time from street cameras, Ring doorbells, and even social media posts. You might think, I haven't done anything wrong, so why does it matter? It matters because technology isn't perfect. Misidentification happens, and once you're in a database, your movements can be tracked and logged without a warrant in many jurisdictions. So, how do you handle this in the real world? Let's look at a common scenario. Say you're walking down a public sidewalk and you notice a police officer or a mobile surveillance unit filming the crowd. Maybe they even approach you. Your first goal is always safety and de-escalation. Keep your hands visible and your tone calm. If an officer approaches you specifically because of a facial recognition match, you need to know what to say. In most states, you aren't required to show ID unless there is reasonable suspicion that you've committed a crime. If you're stopped, you can calmly ask, "Officer, am I free to go or am I being detained?" If they say you are being detained, follow up with, "Can you tell me what specific crime you suspect me of committing?" If they mention a facial recognition hit, stay cool. Do not get into an argument about the technology's accuracy on the sidewalk. Instead, use these exact words. "I am not consenting to any searches or biometric scans. I wish to remain silent, and I would like to speak with an attorney." It's a common mistake to try and prove the computer is wrong by over-explaining your day or showing them photos on your phone. Don't do that. Anything you say can be used against you. By clearly stating you don't consent to searches and invoking your right to silence, you protect your legal standing for later. You also have the right to document the interaction. If it's safe to do so, record the encounter on your phone. This creates an objective record of what was said and done, which is much more powerful in court than a he said, she said argument. Now, a lot of people ask about wearing masks or face coverings to beat the cameras. While it's tempting, be aware that many cities have anti-mask laws that date back decades. While many were paused during the pandemic, some jurisdictions are enforcing them again. Always check your local ordinances before using clothing to obscure your identity in public, as it could give an officer a legal reason to stop and identify you. We live in a world where technology moves faster than the law. Protecting your civil liberties starts with knowing where the lines are drawn. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.